K92.3.
Doing the right thing.
So I think we can all agree as we get older, it is harder for us to make friends. Life gets really busy between kids, family, careers. I know me at 28, just to put something on the calendar to see my girlfriends, we're like, all right, let's look at the next 3 months. Let's find a weekend. It is difficult.
And on top of that, honestly, there's a lot of people that are guarded at an older age, and they even got a lot of baggage and everything else. So share it with another person, it just becomes more difficult too.
Yeah, absolutely. But one couple here in Orlando, they're making sure that has been changed. So they started a Facebook group. It's called Orlando Social Network. I'm going to say it one more time. Orlando Social Network. So us locals, we can hop on the website as well as Facebook page, and they have fun, different meetups. They meet at restaurants, theme parks. They do trivia nights. Lewis and his wife, Nicole Takuri, they moved to Orlando back in 2020 during the pandemic, and they had no family here, no friends. Obviously, very difficult, especially during that time, to meet people. And this Facebook page now has over 200 members and over 2,000 followers.
Facebook's really, I know there's a lot of people that just crap on social media. But I think Facebook, better than anything else, does actually, because it doesn't matter what age you are. Mm-hmm. It's nice and easy. Has all those pictures on there. You can show off your grandkids. So that way you can bond with somebody else being like, my grandkid likes that too.
Yeah. And like I said, if you don't have Facebook, that's okay. They also have a website. So the website is orlandosocialnetwork.com. And what I love about this is I was on their website this morning. There are different people at completely different stages of their life. You've got moms and dads that are in their 40s, in their 50s with grown kids. I see people that are around my age, in their 20s, just starting out in their career. And not only a great way to make friends, but also a great networking opportunity. You never, ever know who you might meet that may take you to that next jump in life.
Yeah. Favorite thing to do is actually making friends with somebody that's 30, 40 years older than me, so that way I can get their perspective. So as I'm like, my daughter who's 6, it's impossible, blah, blah, and they go, you know what, 35 years ago, when I had a 6-year-old, here is a hack that I found.
I love that.
And then you don't see it anywhere.
Wisdom.
Because you see a lot of hacks in life and ways to get through on social media, people our age, but there's stuff that never goes out of style. And that wisdom really does help.
Absolutely. So to Lewis and Nicole Takuri creating this page, again, I'm going to say it one more time because I think it is so important. So it is Orlando Social Network making this page for us Central Floridians to be able to come together today. It's doing the right thing.
Doing the Right Thing. Brought to you by
Renewal by Anderson Windows and Doors. For more, RBAFLA.com.
Doing the right thing.
on K92.3.